going home because they're going somewhere. Yeah, it's okay. You will be fine. We will take care of you. Yeah. You got Foxy. Before we go to bed, we're gonna go to the toilet. Come on, Twilly, quick. Done. You too. Are you ready to bed? Yes. Good night. Finish brushing it. And Foxy too. Foxy. Oh. Yes, you are. Yes. Why wagging your tail? Why? You're not talking to me. You love each other, okay? Be a bestie. He's Bear? You Foxy. You grumpy old man. And Bear so behave. Oh, no, you got toy. Here, I'll give you a toy. Toy for Bear. To nibble. Yes? Listen? Yes? I know you wanna play. You're so playful. You're so cutie. Nagsasela si... Hello. Hi, Foxy. Hi, Teddy Bear. Ano sinagsimat-simat ko dyan? Uy! 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 Maamoy ba ako? Foxy's jealous. I got Bear with me. Don't be jealous, Baba. I both love you. No more, no less. You're so cutie. You're so cutie. Foxy is cranky. Baba. I have 2 little dogs, 2 big dogs. Is Bear, and Foxy. Ayaw ko nang bumitaw. What's that? Chill. What's that all? You wanna go to the toilet again? Yeah? Are you spinning around? Toilet? Oh no, babe. Oh no, you're gonna pull my pants. Oh dear. I know, you show off. Yes. Hi. Come in. Knock. Who's there? Come in. Teddy Bear, open the door. Foxy, where's baby Foxy? Come. Hoy, tagtag niyo yung mga paa nyo kasi ang dumi-dumi. Foxy!
You should take notice of me.
Stop licking. I don't like it.
I know,
I don't like it.
he's fixing up your sores. If you notice, he's just licking your sores.
Really? Is that okay or not?
He's trying to make it better. Look at him.
What you doing?
Oh, jealous. Foxy.
Stay. Have a look.
Foxy. Look at Foxy, darling.
Hi, Baba. Come on, Baba.
He said, come on, Mummy. You're not cuddling me. It's getting harder to get up now.
Today, attended a correctional facility in Stillwater and charged 32
Bear.
murder.
Not my foot.
Yeah, he's getting your feet now.
I've got 2 dogs everywhere.
Charged over a murder plot to take out Ibrahim Hamzi, Bilal's younger brother. Their mother, Maha Hamzi, the victim of a failed assassination herself.
Teddy Bear, come. Teddy Bear. Bear. Come on.
Police say Robert McKenzie was
Good morning. Morning walk. Foxy. Stay still. Let's go on bear. Morning walk. Let's go. There's a car. Come on. Keep going. Walking in the morning. Sing bear. Ari sa simento kay lapok. And then my Foxy. Magpakugo siya. Si Bear mag-walking siya. Guys, gikan na ni disco gabi eh. Tulog yapon mag... Ay, gising ka na pala, Bear. Why are awake? Ay? Nag-disco ka kagabi? Ha? Good night. Tulog ka ulit. Back to sleep. You go back to sleep. You're awake? Hey? Stretching. Oh, stretching. Oh. Jump. Jump, baby. Jump, baby. I'm Foxy. Good morning. Magwa 1 o'clock na. Tulog pa rin kayo. 1 p.m. Lagi lang tulog. Hey? Oh, no. And then, lagi lang kayo nasa bed. Whole day. Whole day tayo sa bed. Basta malihok na gani ko, makamata dayon si Bear. Makamata dayon ka. Mo gitandayan si Foxy. Itat. Sana all sweet. Good morning. Bear, maligid ka. Wala ko maligid ka. Yawan ito ni Bear. Morning, Bear. Morning, Foxy. Yes. Hi, did you have a good sleep? Yes. We're going home today, Bear. Mommy will pick you up and just... We're gonna miss you. Come on. I'm getting ready for work. Come on, Baba. Love you both. Come on, down. Jump. Down. Down. Jump. Hi. Hi. Hello. Yes. You're so yummy. So I'm going to work now. Getting ready. There's reaction. Hi! We miss you so much. Welcome back. Welcome home. Welcome back. Welcome back home. Did you duha ng shadow. Tanaw ng ay tanaw wa sikap tanaw ang lipahin siya. After pila ka nearly a month, no? Oh, baby. And Foxy, excited too. Hi. Hi, pick me up. Jasmine. Inside the... Yun may ari ng KFC. Hair at KFC.
Chips.
Bili kami ng
Manok.
chicken pa rin. Order online.
Family feast.
Yes,
Kana.
please.
And then, ito to.
Okay. Order si Pasag si John.
Where's the wicked wing?
So while waiting for our order, inside the KFC.
Oh no, say hi to Jen.
Hello, you happy you come back? Basing na. Are you going home, Bear? Bye, Bear. Hey, gino ako. Hi, you going home? You gonna miss us? Let's go. Bear, bye, Jazz. Foxy, wait. Foxy. Stay. There's a car. Bear, bye, Jasmine. Bye-bye. Good night. Take care. Wala na si Bear. Nawala na si Bear. Ingatan ni Bear pa ba? Baby Foxy na lang.